Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is all about Walmart spring shoes. These are brand new from Walmart. Before we get into it, guys, if you're interested in anything that I'm wearing, just know I will have it linked under what I'm wearing. This is from Walmart. It's a sweater dress. These earrings are my favorite earrings. These are from Walmart. They're $3.88. This is my favorite leather necklace from Temu. This was $2 and it's stainless steel. It has my letter F for my name. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. One of my favorite finds are these right here, guys. Are these like not the most fun boots ever? These are so cool. I really love them. When I seen them, I was instantly drawn to them. So these are $29.99 and I just think these are such a great price, especially if you're going to a festival or somewhere fun where you want like to wear like a cowboy boot. They do call this the cowboy boot. Okay, I got them in the denim. It does say it has memory foam, and I do believe they have them in like 2 other colors, but I got this because I just thought this was super cute. It has like the denim with the stars, and some of the stars are white, some have like little sequins on them. You see that? Like, it's super fun boot. It does zip down all the way, so it's really easy for you to get your feet in here. And the one thing I really appreciate about No Boundaries, I noticed now they do the same as Time and True, is that now they're putting memory foam inside them. Just so soft. Like, I wish you could feel this like memory foam in here. It's so nice and soft, and it will make it very comfortable. This is about a 1.5 inch block heel, so that will make it also really comfortable if you're gonna want to wear these all day long. One of my top picks. Absolutely love them. They're so unique, so cute, so fun. You guys need these. And then one of my favorites that I am just absolutely obsessed with are these right here. These are by Time and True. They call them the Comfort Sock clogs, and these are $19.99 or $19.98. I got them in the color sand, and I got these in the 6. The only thing I would recommend is you size up on these. I had to repurchase these in the 7 because these in the 6 are just too small. Like, my feet is literally right here at the tip, and it's just not comfortable. Your feet has to kind of be inside right here, and it's literally on top. It's not comfortable. I should have known better from last time. I noticed that with shoes like this that are kind of like slides style, you do have to size up because for some reason they run small. But this is so comfortable. It has like the nice memory foam. It is such a nice color. These are a Birkenstock style look-alike. To me, they look almost identical. If you want a look for less, guys, you need these. They're so comfortable, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use with these, so I love them. And then moving on to these, I just think these are so darn pretty. This is by No Boundaries. They're called the platform Raffia like wedges. These are $24.98. It does have the memory foam. I got them in a size 6. They are true to size, and these guys, I'm gonna be wearing these a lot for the spring because they're actually really comfortable. The memory foam is unreal. It is fully like lined with memory foam. It is so soft, so comfortable. And even if you're not like a heel type of girl, guys, you can get away with this because you're basically, even though it's a platform, but you're basically walking flat. It's almost like flat. Do you see that? Like, your foot will not be like arched up. It's just so nice. These are so comfortable. They're so nice. This is actually really nice soft material. Do you see that on the inside? This does not scratch you as you're walking around. And I absolutely love them. I think these are perfect for the spring and summertime. Good job, Walmart. These are amazing. Got something similar to that, but I got these right here. I guess it's just preference. I don't think you need both of them. I think I'm going more towards this one, but again, like I said, it is preference. Now, these are in the girls aisle. They call it the Strappy wedge in the color tan. This is by Madden NYC. I got it in the size 4, which size 4 is a size 6 in women's, and this was $22. I just think these are really pretty as well. If you want a strap, then I would definitely recommend you get these. These are just flat all the way, maybe very slight, like right here goes a little bit higher, but pretty much flat. It also has like the memory foam. It's really nice and soft. This is very soft, and the straps in general are really comfortable, so I don't think your feet is gonna hurt with this. It's very comfortable, has like a really nice platform, and I really love these. I just think they are really pretty, especially with the sundress. Gorgeous. And then moving on to these, I feel like these are gonna be super popular this year. It is these platform sneakers. These are the platform retro sneakers in the color gray. They have memory foam. I got them in a size 6. They are true to size, and these are $22.98. They're so pretty, guys. Like, I absolutely love these. These can go with so many of your outfits. Look at these. They're so darn pretty. I like the fact that they have like a 2-inch platform. I like the color combination with the gray, the black, the cream. It's so pretty, very comfortable. I like the fact that it has a platform. You guys know with platforms, like right now, it's all the rage. Memory foam right here is so nice and soft, so you could definitely wear these for hours all day long, and you don't have to worry about your feet hurting. Highly recommend these. I'm definitely keeping these because these are one of my favorites. Moving on to these right here. They call them the 2-band heel in the color cognac. I got them in a 6.5. They have memory foam by Time and True, and I believe they had these last year and they brought them back this year. They look like this, and if I didn't mention, they're $22.98. They're really pretty, like classy, strappy heels. I like the fact that it has the block heel, so that way you know it's gonna be more comfortable to walk in. It's gonna not feel kind of wobbly, especially if you don't really wear heels all that much. And I really like the fact that it's basically like a 2.5-inch heel. I really think these are perfect for church or brunch. They're so pretty. The straps are actually nice and soft, very comfortable. It doesn't hurt. Your feet is sensitive like me, and if this strap is like very hard, I will get blisters, and this does not. I have them in multiple colors, but I got them in this gorgeous cognac because they're classy and it will go with a lot of colors. The rest of the shoes are from Scoop. You guys know Scoop is like one of my favorite brands at Walmart. The first ones are these right here. These, they call them the women's buckle slide sandals. They're in the color black linen. These are $30, and I do believe they come in other colors. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, they brought a lot more colors this year than they did last year, because I remember last year they had like a straw material and like, I don't remember the other color. The colors that they have them in this year. They have a denim, a peach, a pink. They brought the straw back. There's like a sage and the black. That is amazing. Okay, clicking on it, I just noticed these are actually on sale right now for $19.99. So I think they're having like their sale where they'll have it for like a week or two, maybe a month the most, and then they bump it back up to regular price. These guys, these are the most comfortable sandals that I have ever put my feet in. I did not think they're gonna be as comfortable as they are. This is so soft. This might look like kind of like hard and uncomfortable. Unbelievable. I really want to get these also in the straw and perhaps in the denim. Let me see how the denim looks. The denim is so pretty as well. Look at that. And then here's the classic straw that I really want to get the straw color in. Oh my gosh, these will go with so many of your outfits, dresses, skirts. They're just so good. I really like this little buckle detail right here. It has like a tortoise design, has the memory foam, really comfortable, guys. This is one shoe you need to get. You're gonna thank me, especially if you're going on vacation, to the beach, wherever. Honestly, you can wear them wherever the heck you want. They're just amazing overall. And then let's move on to these right here. So I got these sandals right here, and I just thought these were really, really pretty. Look at these guys. They're gorgeous. They're like a metallic rose gold. They look like you're a princess. Yes, they call it the Scoop Women's Strappy Flat Sandals. Got these in the size 6. They are in the color rose gold. They're $26. They also have it in the black and the gold as well. So that is really nice. These are so pretty, guys. They're so fun and different. It does have like the toe area where you put your big toe. It has this strap, and then you can strap it like so. These are so pretty if you're gonna wear a sundress and just this peeking through, or even with some shorts. They're just really, really nice. I always love the fact that they put the memory foam, because even if they're flat, if it doesn't have any memory foam, it's gonna be very uncomfortable and it hurts after a while. So these are gorgeous. $26, guys, for Scoop. You cannot beat it. That's actually a really good price. Alrighty, moving on to these flats right here. I just think these are so much fun. So I got these by, again, they're all by Scoop. And I got these really beautiful, like very vibrant pink. I got them in a size 6. I do wish I got them in a 6.5 because they are kind of tight, especially the fact that I have white feet. I do recommend you size up if you do. They call this the women's square toe ballet flat in the color fuchsia. The price on these are $32, but they are on sale for $19.99, and they do have them in 4 other colors. Do you see that? Really, really nice, guys. I really think these are so pretty. Of course, you can get it in whatever color you want, but I think something about just like ballet flats, they just look so classy and so chic, very put together. This color I just thought was fun, so I wanted to get a pop-up color. This is how it looks in the back. It does have like a satin material, very nice and soft. So I got these really pretty silver block heels. Look at these, guys. They are so pretty. So this, they call it the Scoop Women's Block Heel Mule Sandals. They're $35. I got them in the 6.5 in the color silver. And let's see how many colors they have them in. They have them in 3 other colors, which is the black, the vibrant pink, and it looks like a lime green. So really nice, fun pops of color, but I got the silver. Silver is like really on trend right now, and they're just so pretty. I love the block heel. That makes it a lot more comfortable to walk in. It's about 3 inches, really good, very easy to walk in. These are gorgeous. They're so pretty. They're very comfortable. Last but not least, I got these gorgeous, classy, like brown or cognac sandals. I feel like these will be very popular. They look like this. They call them the Scoop Women's Crossover Band Slide Sandals. They're $28 in the color cognac. And let me see if they have them in more colors. Okay, so they also have it in this like fuchsia pink, which is really, really pretty. Look at that. Kind of has like that croco embossed. It's a little bit different from this one. This one is more like faux leather. Actually on sale. Instead of $28, it's $24.99. So they look like this. It's a really beautiful cognac color. They're very comfortable. You don't need to size up on this. This is really nice. This is wide feet friendly as well. Has the foam, like memory foam. They're really pretty, guys. I think these are nice because they go with pretty much any color. Those have like a, I would say maybe like a 1/2 inch little heel, barely nothing, but oh my gosh, these are really pretty. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.